Hi everyone and welcome to Baby Rhyme Time with Moreton Bay Region Libraries. My name's Liz and I'm very excited to do Baby Rhyme Time with you today. Let's start with our acknowledgement to country. Can you show me one twinkling hand like this? And another twinkling hand like this? Smithers, my snake, would, but he doesn't have any hands, so he's just going to sit here like this. Ready? We'll go, here is the land, and here is the sky. Here are my friends, that's you guys, and here am I. We respect the traditional custodians and country on which we learn and play. Hands up and hands down. We're on Gubby Gubby and on Derby people ground. Let's start with our hello song. Wave hello, hi everyone, how are we going today? We'll go, hi, hello, and how are you? How are you? How are you? Hi, hello, and how are you? How are you today? I'm very good, and so Smithers, and we're so excited to have you here today. All right. Let's do another little welcome song. We'll go like this. Get your tickling fingers ready. We'll go, a tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go high and arms go low. And a great big hug to say hello. We're going to have lots of fun at Baby Rhyme Time today, and I think we'll start with my most favourite rhyme. Can you go 1 and 2? And we will open them and shut them. Open them and shut them. Do you have any idea what we could be singing? That's right, we're going to do open, shut them. Ready? Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap. Open, shut them, lay them in your lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this. Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them, blow a little kiss. Mwah. Oh, good job. Give yourselves a clap. That's my favourite rhyme because I love all the hand actions that we get to do. Let's do another one. This one has hand actions too, but it's a little bit more quiet. We're going to get 1 twinkling star finger up like this, and then 2. And we're singing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Thank you so much for singing that one with me. I love to go outside at nighttime and look up at the stars, don't you? They're very beautiful. Let's move on to our next rhyme. Now this one is about a dolly who gets a little bit sick. Oh no! And her name is Miss Polly. So we'll get our dollies like this. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick. The doctor came with his bag and his hat, and he knocked on the door with a rat-a-tat-tat. He looked at the dolly and he shook his head. He said, put Miss Polly straight to bed. He wrote on the paper for a pill, pill, pill. I'll be back in the morning, yes I will. I hope Miss Polly feels better soon, but I'm sure with the doctor there, she'll be better in no time. Okay, we're going to do one more rhyme. Can you show me your fingers like this? And then what about like this? We're going to do baby crocodile. This is a really fun one. So we've got our babies and then our mummies and then our daddy crocodile like this. Ready? Baby crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you, out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Mommy crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you, out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Daddy crocodile, don't you bite, don't you bite. I can run away from you, I can run away from you, out of sight, boo, out of sight, boo. Give yourselves a big clap and thank you so much for singing all these rhymes with me today. We're going to sing our goodbye song now, but we'll see you again soon. Ready? A tickle for your toes, a tickle for your nose, a tickle for your tummy where the watermelon goes. Arms go low and arms go high, a great big hug to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you soon, see you soon. Goodbye, goodbye, we'll see you soon, see you another day. And parents, don't forget that singing rhymes with your children is great for building their memory. Don't be surprised if soon your children start singing your rhymes back at you. Have a great day, we'll see you later. Bye everyone.